Hey, hi friend, welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss VMware, vSphere, data center virtualization. So again, welcome to VMware vSphere data center virtualization. So this video captures the introductions and the concept to understand the VMware vSphere data center virtualization. So before I explain these things, I just give you introduction of myself. I am the trainer of technical skills like in Windows and also VMware product and some of the network products. I have total years of 6.5 years experience in this technical field. So I'm really excitement to starting this course, and you people can enjoy to watching this video, as this video will cover all the parts of VMware vSphere data center virtualization 5.5. I mean VMware vSphere 5.5. So we will do all things, but before to start this series, watching start this series, so I just remember one thing: you can watch and enjoy this video, but do not forget to practice in your live environment, because without practice, without hands-on, you cannot remember the things. I will provide you all the application, all the information, all the configuration details of this things to build your test environments. That will help you to understand and hands-on practice to your own environment. So it will help to crack your interview as well as and you can your work environment also, right? So before doing these things, I just we will some a little bit idea about the things. Virtualization, what is exactly the virtualization? We are not hearing the virtualization word terminologies now only. So it is a long back, right? But something is enhancement done by VMware. So that we are going to learn. So virtualization, everybody knows that. I don't want to tell you in this video, because this is the VMware product, and people who are working in Windows, they already heard about the virtualization. Okay. So in this virtualizations technology in my video, and to practice in this thing, VMware vSphere, and to create your own live environment, one magic application I have, that is the VMware Workstation. If you look at this screen, this is the VMware Workstation, and in this VMware Workstations I have installed the ESXi, right? I have installed the 3 ESXi over here, and I have the management network, which is giving the IP address range is 192.168.0.0/24. This is the subnet of management VM, right? So if you people might be think in I have one system only at home, so I cannot practice these things, right? Because it required the storage network. I don't have this system, right? You might be thinking. So don't worry about it. I have, if you look at my system also, let me show you my screen details, configuration details. This is my system. I have installed Windows 8, and it's a 24 GB RAM. So I can say it is, if your system having 24-30 GB, it's better. But if your system have 16 GB at least RAM, so you can practice this VMware vSphere. There is no issue came on your system. If you have 16 GB also, you can do it. I can prefer, but it should be a 64-bit operating system and 64-bit processor also. The VMware vSphere cannot support the 32-bit processor. So ensure that thing should be happen. So I have an AMD processor over here. Okay. So okay, let's come to the point over here. I told you earlier in this video also, you can enjoy and watch the video, but do not forget to practice, because practice man makes perfect. If you want to be a master in VMware vSphere, definitely you should be practice what I will going to and tell you, one by one series. So this is the first video. So I think before starting this video, I mean starting this course, I just give you a little bit idea about the configuration and ESXi, right? So I think you people are aware with ESXi. Otherwise, I can tell you ESXi is a hypervisor, right? So I can tell you these things. So this is the fixture, you just print out this thing. So to before starting your lab environment, so it will help you out. Let me tell you these things, like let me open this my desktop, my files I have kept over here, open with paint, so I can clearly tell you that how you can configure these things. So first of all, before taking this course, I can give you the little information which will understand this virtualization of VMware, right? So there are two types of VMware virtualization technology. What? So this is my Windows 7 system. Let me 1 second. Yeah, this is my Windows 7 or Windows 8 system. Sorry guys, I am not drawing in good, so please manage it the way I doing. Okay, so this is the Windows 8. Okay, okay, in this system I have installed what? I have installed the VMware Workstation. This is, I told you, this is the magic of this course. I've installed the VMware Workstation, and that VMware Workstation I have created the ESXi 2. I have installed the create the VMware and many as much as VMware I can create over here. That is the one kind of VMware, right? It's for the testing environment I can do. And the second is what? This is the ESXi. This is the physical server. You can take example, this is the physical server. In this physical server we can create VM in this physical server, 1 2 3 4 5, depending upon your licensing, depending upon your capacity of the server, depending upon your processor, depending upon your environment, that you can create the VMware in this hypervisor. But how we can create the VMware? So to this is ESXi is a totally Linux technology. If you wanted to take remote with the graphical user interface to manage the ESXi, we need the vCenter. Okay, so through vCenter console we can take the remote of host, I mean ESXi. It may be a, as much as ESXi you can create. You can if you install the vCenter, you can add all the multiple ESXi host on the one vCenter server, but depending upon also license. Okay, so after taking the console of ESXi, I mean it's we called in technical language it's a host. Okay, then we can create the VMware. That I will show in this next video also. And this the series of video will become, and on that video you can understand. I think you understood two types of virtualization. One is what? In the Windows 8 system I have installed the workstation, VMware Workstation application. I will tell you, this is my Windows 8 server system, right? Here what I done, I have installed the workstation, VMware Workstation. You can download from VMware site. I can tell you the things. You can open the browser and open the my VMware site. In this my VMware site you have to be login in this site with your credential. If you not create it, you can create. Okay, if a new member, like you can register here and you can create. Okay, what are the applications of VMware like ESXi, vCenter, virtualization? These are the applications you will get freely. I mean what we called like there is a trial application will be there, so you can use 180 days or 60 days. That things you can do your use in an environment, right? So let we will see these things and later. But the main concern is you need to understand those things, right? So if you look at these things, I told you like my system is installed in Windows 8. In this Windows 8 system I have installed the VMware Workstation. This is the magic of this course. In this VMware Workstation I can create the virtual machine. This is the one kind of virtualization. And the second thing is what? Like in the ESXi host, yeah, and the second thing is what in the ESXi, this is the physical server. There we can install the ESXi, and to taking control of the ESXi host we need to install vCenter, VMware vCenter, right? So after installing the VMware vCenter we can take the console of ESXi, and then we start to install the VMware. If you look at this picture, it is clearly indicate that this is a ESXi hypervisor, and I have installed VMware like application OS, VMs. If you look at over here, right? So I'm given all these things, right? In the 3 ESXi, all this VMs also installed, right? But this picture indicates that my testing lab environment. In that way, I have designed my testing lab environment, and my management IP subnet will be 192.168.0.0. So again, I just wanted to tell you, before watching, I mean, so sorry, to watching and enjoying this video is not, part of part of my part of it's not a part of your knowledge. If you practice, then you will get the knowledge. If you watch and enjoy the video, that's great, not an issue. But the intention is to read carefully, to take an action on your test environment, create your test environment, then implement it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. We will again, I will come to the next part, and do not forget to watch the next part. So in this next part, we will cover the new things, the configuration and all these things, the concept also. We will discuss some more things that I will tell you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. We will see you on next video.